Hey there, I just want to make this quick video regards the difference between the ATJ with the ATL. Like, what are the things that you need to know if you're thinking about getting both of these? So primarily the really important thing, I know it's going to maybe even be like a simple thing, but you are going to have less buttons on the remote control for your ATL. When I checked the other reviews or like some important things there, important thing to know is that both ATL and ATJ are good, but the brightness is better for ATL. So this is something that you have to be aware about. This is like really good site, like theratings.com, you can check it out. And in this regard, they are both like awesome if you would choose either of those. But just be aware that the brightness is better for ATL, but other than that, they are just good. So just want to make this really quick video about the things that you have to know, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, brighter, and have a great day and goodbye.